Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make outline text effect in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application. And first of all, I'm going to add text to my video. I'm going to go to the text menu and then select the add text. And I'm just going to type in text outline like this. Okay, and it's time to add outline to our text. We can go to the styles menu and you are going to select the stroke. Okay, and choose the color for the outline. And I'm just going to select this yellow color. Okay, then you can also add glow effect to your text if you want. Just tap on the glow and select this one. And you can also add shadow for the outline. I'm just going to add this yellow shadow. Okay, and then click on the check mark once you're satisfied with the outline, and I'm just going to zoom in like this. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make outline text effect in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.